Renewed calls this evening for truckers to properly secure materials such as marl, sand and oil when traversing the roadway. It comes following a major oil spill along Spur Hill in Manchester, which resulted in a multi-vehicle crash. Amor Harriet reports.
Chaos along Spur Hill in Manchester shortly before 7 a.m. on Monday.
I cry out, I said, Lord, I said, Jesus, it's not me now, it's you now, you take control.
TVJ News understands that the oil spill happened sometime Sunday night. The condition of the road worsened after it rained early Monday. The result, several motorists lost control of their vehicles and crashed.
I picked up a skid, realized that there's some oil on the road. Instead of holding the brake, I just tried to steer the vehicle down as best as possible. After a while, I just could not steer anymore. The car just spun around in the road, hit the embankment there, and then after that, I realized that, hey, this is an accident now.
The aisle is not just from down here. The aisle is from a way up the top until when you come down. But when I look now, the truck reach out of control. I have no control over the truck again, so it can't skate, but it develop speed and heading over the gully.
Among the affected vehicles was a minibus transporting police officers.
One police vehicle also hit into a light post, which resulted in several of our members sustaining severe injuries. One of the members had to be cut from the vehicle by the fire personnel who came on the scene.
Hundreds of students were forced to walk, some for miles, to access public transportation. For years, this section of Spur has been the scene of countless crashes, with this now abandoned house bearing the brunt of many of them. An appeal is being made for drivers of heavy-duty trucks to exercise caution when transporting material.
So we are begging the truckmen them who are carrying these things from the backsides to please concern about others when they miss the road and leave in jeopardy. It take a lot of life. This morning, police officers gone to the hospital, broke up of this man who's spilling this oil on the road. Please, Chuck, please, I'm more concerned about the citizens of our country.
I'll be speaking with our Manchester counterpart as well as my own police in St. Elizabeth to ensure that we do some other additional active policing on these corridors to ensure that particularly the heavy units coming through the space, that they meet the regulation in terms of their load, the weight, and if necessary, we'll engage the Transport Authority to be part of those operations.
Amoy Harriet, TVJ News.